Excuse me, Dylan.
Yes.
I just wanted to say this group is a piece of son of a. You people are mother. Go yourselves eat my.
Dot.
Warn all rude. Shoot.
Really?
Awesome, why did you warn me?
This person.
Someone gave him a warning.
Why I got a warning? I did nothing.
He didn't mean to.
His name was all.
I got a warning for doing nothing wrong.
Awesome, you warned me.
Awesome, redo it please.
MRs, spread the STS.
Correction. MRs.
Dash.
Don't correct me. And if you ask why,
Do not correct him. Don't mess with him.
I will say because. Don't try me.
Excuse me.
Yes, hot.
Gustard has safe chat.
Okay, heart. Wally does too, heart.
Damn, throwing your friends under the bus.
Happy face.
Nice.
MHM, heart.
Do any of you need a kitchen tour?
Correction. Kitchen.
Do that later, please.
silence.
Warren Lull correcting more than one higher rank, not stopping.
Dot.
Gus is annoyed by him.
Dot.
He corrected Gus a lot of times.
To lull. Chat logs.
He keeps correcting people.
Dual.
Stop.
I'm suspending you.
Zaytul's more like Zaydals.
Refresh all. Dot. Oops.
Millie did.
Dim and Millie are figuring it out, I presume. Oh wait.
Oh, cut.
She was trying to refresh the girl by doing re-all.
There she's Dash.
Dash.
Re-all.
Confused face. Oh my.
I meant her username. I'm so sorry. Frown.
Millie dash.
I Dash.
Up, Ferry.
What just happened?
I didn't mean all. I meant her username.
When you guys refresh her, type in full usernames. Yep. Fairy didn't mean to.
Warn all glitching.
You, dash. Millie. The glitcher is on here.
Dot.
All in company.
To Al. Dot. You're being suspended for joining an alt.
Correction. On an alt. Grammar.
I know you're alt.
Correction. You're an alt.
Dot. That is incorrect.
Use grammar. Structure your sentences properly.
Dot dot.
Welcome to Subway. This place smells like an ashtray. We steal our employees' limiteds and sell them on eBay. Our food looks like it was run over on a highway and had gas poured on it at Speedway. But you have to admit it smells like an ashtray. Hand toe idiot. Dot. Hand toe stupid idiot. Hand toe dumb. Dot dot dot.